An unboxing here for any of you who might be interested. I had my Barker shoes refurbished, you might have seen the video, and then they kept getting in touch. Well, you know, as they do, sending emails, and unfortunately sent me one with these on a special offer. So I got caught, as it were, even though actually I'd switched off. I'd unsubscribed, because it seems like anything you buy these days, people send you endless emails. For those that might be interested, I'm using the Biodynamic V96R ribbon mic as I speak here. Barker, English shoemaker since 1880. Orkney, navy grain, 10F. Oh, another shoehorn. They could be their shoehorns. Oh, taking care. Yeah, thank you very much. Shoe bags. Here we are, just move the mic down. Dainite rubber sole. Doesn't say Orkney from what I can see. It's got a number. Another number in there. And some tissue. Wouldn't do much to keep shape really, but and seem to be fully leather lined. Nicely done. I like the way that tapers down there. So there we are. I think they're going to take some breaking in. Not Grenson, Barker, Orkney, navy tan.